In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book on eDreams. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from the home page to a confirmed ticket without missing any important details. Start by opening the eDreams website in your browser or launching the app on your device. Give it a second to load fully so all prices and options display correctly. If you see a prompt for your region or currency, choose the one that matches how you want to pay. A stable internet connection helps prevent errors during checkout. On the main screen, enter your trip details. Type your departure city under From and your destination under To. Pick your departure date, and if it's a round trip, add your return date as well. Many search forms also let you adjust the number of travelers and cabin class before you search. When everything looks right, click Search to see available flights. You'll now see a list of options. Take a moment to compare prices, total travel time, and the number and length of layovers. Check what each fare includes, especially baggage allowances, since some low-cost options only include a small personal item. If times and connections work for you, click Select or continue to lock in your choice. Next, enter passenger details exactly as they appear on the passport or ID you'll use. Double-check spellings and middle names if required, since corrections can be costly. Add a reliable email address and a phone number you can access while traveling so you receive updates. If you want to add a checked bag or choose specific seats, you can usually do that here as an optional extra. Before paying, carefully review the booking. Confirm the departure and return dates, traveler names, airports, and the total price. Look over any extras like travel insurance or priority boarding. If something was added automatically and you don't need it, remove it now. It's also a good time to glance at fare rules, such as change fees and refund policies. When you're ready, proceed to payment. Enter your card details or choose PayPal if available. Ensure your billing information matches your payment method and verify the currency shown on the final screen. Click Purchase or Pay Now. Then wait for the confirmation page without refreshing. Lastly, watch for your confirmation. You should receive an email with your booking reference, usually within minutes and sometimes up to 24 hours. Check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Save the email and note the reference number so you can access your booking later. That's it. You've booked on eDreams.